In this video we will add the shooting mechanism and damage. So here we will create three variables. You can see that I have created string shooter name, got shot name and damage amount. And then in the update function where we are using the left mouse click, we will create if get component photon view is mine. Then we are actually using these functions, and after that we will create a raycast hit. So we are creating a raycast and then we are firing the raycast from the camera.main screen, and then we are actually ignoring the ignore raycast name to the layer. So what happened is that if you go to the commando, you can see that we have the layers and we have ignore raycast layer here. And this layer actually is a layer that if for example it is selected, because the ray will be fired from the camera.main. So if we are on the default layer, it will kill our own character as well. So it is very important. So now we will make it ignore layer raycast. We will make it dynamically, and then we are actually hitting the raycast, and then we will add this function inside this if statement, so that if we have a photon view is not equal to null, then only we will shoot this function. So got shoot name equal to hit dot transform dot k object get component owner dot nick, and then we have a shooter name get component owner dot nickname, and then we are actually logging this shooter name for testing purpose. Also we will make the layer game object layer to default again after running this if statement. Okay, so yeah, this is the function, and now we can go to the main player. We have the commando, and you can see that we will have the weapon script. So where it is, yeah, here, and we should have a damage amounts. So you can see damage amounts. So we have 4 weapons, so we'll type 4 and we can add damage amount 0.1. so we will add the amounts from 0.1 to 1. So in this way we can add amounts because the our slider will be from 0 to 1. Okay, so that's why we are using this. So it means then that if we shoot 5 times, the player will be killed with this weapon, and if with this weapon 10 times needed, and I think we will make it 2. Let's make it 3.3, and the last weapon we can make it to 5.5, like this. Okay, so now we can build the game and let's test out. Okay, so now we have 2 players, and you can see that if for example we hit that player, so let's hit him. So let's fire. You can see that in console we should have a message. You can see got hit by Bob. So these are the names actually. So again, if we hit, you can see we are actually hitting this player. Although you can see that gun is towards the other side and the character is other side, but we are shooting the ray from the main camera, not from this gun. Okay, so actually we can make the gun towards this main camera if we want, but anyhow for now it is fine, it's working. Later on we will solve this issue.